वी आर स्पीकिंग इन इंग्लिश. हम इंग्लिश में बोलने का ट्राई करने वाले हैं. आपको ट्राई करना है इंग्लिश में बोलने का, आपको सीखना है इंग्लिश में बोलने के लिए, तो आप हमारे साथ सीखिए. देखो नवनाथ लाफ कर रहा है, आप भी लाफ कर सकते हो. बिकॉज फनी वे के साथ कैसे इंग्लिश सीखा जा सकता है. नो 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 नो, ही इज़ आस्किंग सर स्टॉप दिस वीडियो, क्रिएट अगेन, बिकॉज ही इज़ लाफिंग. नो, जो है वो हम दिखाने का ट्राई करेंगे. ओके बिकॉज देखो यार, ज़िंदगी में मतलब जो है वो दिखाओ ना, दिखावा मत करो कि यार कट किया फिर एडिट किया. नो, जो है वो है. दैट मीन्स बिना एडिट के हम वीडियो दिखा रहे हैं. ओके, सो इंग्लिश बोलेंगे गाइस, एंड कल का टॉपिक कंटिन्यू करेंगे. कल का वीडियो नहीं देखा, जाके देखो यार, कितना मज़ा आया. आप इतना आज तक नहीं हंसे होंगे उतना उस वीडियो में आप हंसोगे. दैट्स अ गारंटी.
यस यस.
ओके, सो नाउ कल का टॉपिक बी कंटिन्यूड. ओके, क्वेश्चन नवनाथ का था, वाई इन द अर्ली एज गर्ल्स और बॉयज डू द रिलेशनशिप, राइट?
Yes yes.
Is it right topic?
Yes sir.
Let me my mic. Okay. Is it right now?
Yes.
सो इसका आंसर मुझे पूछा था इसने इंग्लिश में बताने के लिए. ओके, तो हम क्वेश्चंस लेंगे एंड इंग्लिश में ट्राई करेंगे कैसे हम बोल सकते. नवनाथ, आई थिंक वाई some boys, some girls are doing relationship in early age because they forgot about his parents and they don't take care about his parents.
How they can forget?
Like, see, our parents, what is the parent saying to us, and what's the
They
responsibility?
are not giving value to their parents, I think.
Yes, that's why they are making relationship. They are doing that. We can say they should be not do that things. I think in that age, like 18 to 25, it's a very very important age to grow ourselves. Right? Okay, but many people are doing that thing. So we can just only say that, guys, it is bad, right? And that is the answer of Navnath questions. Okay, so today I want to ask one question to the Navnath.
Yes.
And that is, Navnath, can you tell me, funny moments already done, right? So next moment I want to capture here, and everyone should be see that moment. We are going to improve English, right?
Yes.
Before 3-4 months, Navnath is came into the Pune,
Yes.
and in that 3-4 months, exactly what you have seen in this Pune, and what's we can say, how you are in your village and how you are in this city. What is the difference in between that? That means village is good or something, Pune city is good. That I want to ask you, buddy, and everyone, guys, please comment.
Sir, in Pune there is lots of good things, I think.
Okay, and in your village there is no good things.
As
Yes, try to speak. Yeah, we know we don't know English, right? But try.
in my village there is
Also good things.
also good things, but in Pune there is I think I have
Tell me two good things in Pune. What you are saying? Two good things.
not
FC Road.
what is industry FC Road? I don't know about FC Road, sir.
Okay, so what you see in the Pune, that is you are like that, or you are saying?
Not gone anywhere, but I have seen, like in Pune I have seen the
It's educational culture, right? Vidyasam Ahergar, like that Pune is treated as.
I don't think so.
I don't think. Why?
There's lots of students they are wasting their time here.
In Pune, but lots of, how many students? Suppose we are taking example, there are 100 students. How many students are wasting time in Pune as per Navnath?
At least 50%.
50% students. Hello Punekar, Navnath is saying 50% Punekar wasting his time. Is it true?
Yes, yes.
How you can say 50% true? You are seeing that?
I'm watching that on the roads,
Okay.
in the parks. Yes.
Where you watch, in which road and which park? Because Pune is very big, so people wants to
On any road, sorry. In
any road.
yes, like
In Dagudushet Ganpati, Srimanta Sri Dagudushet Halwai Ganpati, there are also that type of students you are saying?
no, in Sarasbag you can see.
Sarasbag, okay, then?
In lots of places in, like we can see the colleges.
Okay, which college? Please give me name.
I am not saying the name.
Don't want to expose. Okay, no problem. But Navnath is saying, Navnath, in my point of view, in my opinion, Pune is the Vidyacha Mahergar, where lots of students coming from village and grow ourselves as a human.
Like me. Yeah.
Okay, that's why you are saying Pune is good.
Yes. I
Okay,
think.
okay. One question. Pune is good for education or not?
Good. It's good.
It's good.
There are lots of institutions and colleges. They are providing good education. In my town, there is lots of colleges, but they are talking about theory only. They are not.
That means very good improvement we can see in Pune, right? But if we talk about our villages, there is also education system, there is also colleges, but that colleges might be not teach like Pune.
In my college, they are only teaching theory.
Okay, and here what you are saying? Here they are not teaching theory.
Till my third year, sir, I have completed BCA. Till my third year, I don't even know about int float carrots.
Till third year, you don't know int plot cal.
Yes. After
And you have subject in college like Java, C, C++.
yes. I have.
You know about Java in your third year?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What exactly?
I know about the subject.
Okay.
As a subject, I know it.
But in that concepts,
I don't get that concept that teacher have teached us.
okay, that means you are not getting anything in college.
Yes. They are teaching only theory. So in our lab there is lots of PC with Windows 7 Windows 7 operating system. Yes, you can say.
Guys, my experience also same. I am frankly telling. I am from Dharashiv, okay, and I am not telling the college name, and many people also knows that, okay, but I am not telling here, okay. Why? In my college, I also get the same experience. They are having two teachers are good. I am frankly saying, two teachers are good. They are very very good. I am saying, okay. I am not telling names, वगैरह, okay, because might be issue. So, but they watch teach very good, very very good. That's why I'm here. I can say, because I learning lots of things from that type of teachers,
Yes.
right? But some teachers really, I want to say that अगर नहीं होते तो अच्छा होता.
Yes, you can.
Yes, we can say, right? Why? One question, Navnath, and also all of you, why village boy or village from village, why students are coming in this city? Pune, Hyderabad, Bangalore, why students are coming?
Sir, there is lots of intelligent students with
What's the reason, buddy? Why they are coming here? Why they are not surviving in that village?
I am telling you that there is lots of intelligent students. They want to learn something, but in our village colleges, they are not providing the education, good education. That's why they are getting problems.
Okay, that means lack of education, guys. Lack of education facilities, right? Lack of क्या बोलते हैं हम उसे, instruments, right? They are not getting like computers, good laptops, right? And they are not getting well education also. That's why they are coming in this city. And also I am in Pune, he is Pune, everyone is Pune, or everyone is coming from Pune or something, Hyderabad, Bangalore. Why? What's the reason? Because of well education.
Yes.
In village there is no well education. That's the reality.
Sir, after coming in Pune, I have given my 10 to 12 hours in a day for study.
Okay.
In this institute, I will come at 9 a.m. and I will go at 7 p.m.
Okay, that means he is investing, guys, 10 hours in a day here.
I have seen lots of improvement in my career. Yes,
life, okay.
I got. I am learning new things. I have in my college I can't even learn about C till my third year.
Okay.
But after coming here, I have completed C in 1 month.
Okay.
After C, I have completed C++ also. Then I have completed, not completed, I am completing now Java. How can you rate, how do you rate me from 10?
From 10, I will give you like out of 10 something 8. Why? Because can I ask one question on Java? Okay, Java people. Okay, he's not saying. Okay, no problem. Here we are discussing English, and yeah, Josh. How's the Josh?
Yes, hi.
How is the Josh? Okay. हंसना है यार, बट सर कब हंसना
I
है?
have also trying to communicate with people. I have get a confidence to talk with people.
Guys, one thing I want to say, Navnath, when Navnath come here, okay, Pune, that time he is very shy guy.
Anyone, yes.
Not talking with anyone. He's like पकड़ के लाया हुआ बंदा.
Yes, yes.
But now he expressing something. He talk to you with us, everyone.
I think it's a big improvement in me.
Yes.
Yes.
That's why I am also recommended everyone, please open camera and speak. We are also speaking by seeing camera. Yes. And behind the camera there is lots of people. Might be this video viral and cause it will get 1 lakh views. Okay, but situation is we are not getting 100 views also, but it's okay. Okay, वो भी दिन आएगा गाइज. कहाँ पे वो दिन आएगा? मेरा आदियान जावा के ऊपर जाके देखो, एक वीडियो को 1 लाख व्यूज़ गए. So it's possible, but you have 3 things. You need to have 3 things. You should be have 3 things: consistency, hard work, and patience.
Yes.
You will get definitely your success if you have these 3 things. Okay, chalo, no problem. So now Navnath, I want to say frankly or really I want to say one guy tell me, in village there is lots of colleges. Okay, in that colleges the staff is, you know about that staff. Yes. The staff is work with only 7,000 per month salary. The one student is saying me.
That's why the education system is not good in villages.
That's the failure of education system, and we can say they are not well educated itself.
Yes, yes.
And they are teaching with us.
Yes, yes.
So how
In
we
my
can
college, there is lots of teachers. They have not good knowledge.
Right. So how
they are teaching only theory. Right. They are only
reading. They are reading like seeing and reading, and that's it, guys. Today's lecture complete.
Expecting to write these notes and ratta.
One teacher also I had, and they told like Java is popular language, Java is programming language, and write down, guys, write down. It will be might become in exam. Okay, write down, and that's it. Today lecture खत्म.
Yes.
भाई क्या बताया तूने? हमें समझ में तो आना चाहिए. So that like of teachers, I'm not criticize teachers, okay, who have such a very good knowledge and they are teaching to the students, and being a teacher, it is very difficult. Not everyone become a teacher. Not everyone want to become a teacher, because being a teacher is very hard thing, guys.
Sir, we can't make a complaint of the teachers. Yes, also right. Yes, because also we have paid less amount of fees. Yes. That's why we can't say we need to accept the educations.
But see, I'm not criticizing any teacher who that teachers who give such knowledge to particular students, and also me, I will really साष्टांग pranam dandavat. Why? Because of you, because of that type of humor, that type of knowledge you are giving us. That's why we are here. Yes. We are doing such things. We are speaking in English. See, why I am speaking in English and why I am improved my English, because of one teacher. Yes. I got one teacher in my 5th standard. So that's why when I am in the high school, there is lots of good teachers I have seen.
Yes, right.
I also see there are lots of
In high
teachers.
school, there is with experience. They are good experience.
But some teachers, yes, right. Some teachers also good. Some teachers are also bad. They are not teaching.
In my high school, there is all teachers are good. I think.
In high school, okay. Yes, yes. But in college, there is
In college, there is less
Ratta.
of knowledge.
पढ़ के watch.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. But guys, see, if you want to become successful, if you want to become something if you want to get well knowledge, then you should become in like big cities.
Yes.
Right? Pune, Bangalore. Okay, there you will get lots of knowledge. Okay, because विद्या माहेरगर जहाँ से विद्या चालू होती है, विद्या माहेरगर आ जाओ यार.
But sir, we need to pay a lot for that education.
See. If you invest something where you will get the return big, then बिंदास इन्वेस्ट करो यार. जहाँ से आपको अच्छा रिटर्न मिल रहा है, राइट? इफ यू गेट गुड रिटर्न, सो व्हाई हेजिटेट टू इन्वेस्ट? If you don't get any big return.
After coming from village, they got lots of problems like less in English. They are less trying to less speaking in English. Communication is very very big problem of the village guy like
Guys,
me.
one thing I want to say, if you are coming in Pune and doing you are doing some course or will be doing some course, that time one thing please remember, lots of institutes, lots of course giving classes making fraud.
Yes, they are.
Right, they are taking such a amount, huge amount like 50,000, 1 lakh, but they are not teaching you good. Okay, you need to also remember that point, because see, education is like, we can say, business.
Yes.
They are taking money but not providing such a good content. So that's why remember, check the reviews, check all the reviews from whatever students already done the course from that particular institute. Check that, and after you need to take the admission.
Yes.
And also I will recommend you, please reach out Adi and Java, my another channel where I teach the Java. You can contact me. I will tell you the reality of each and every institute.
Yes.
Before you join. Okay, suppose you are brother, you are sister, or you are colleague, something you are related, something नातेवाईक वगैरह कुछ भी, कोई भी आ रहा है पुणे में कुछ करने के लिए, so please refer Adi and Java. You can search on YouTube Adi and Java. You will get my second channel where 16,000 plus subscribers I have.
Yes.
Okay, here what we are doing here, just we are trying to speak in English, and यार we are not perfect. हम perfect नहीं है यार. बिल्कुल नहीं है, but हम try कर रहे हैं. Okay, to speak in English.
I think the lots of students have confidence to talk, but they are stucking in English.
Yes. As if you want to talk with us, and if you want to join Navnath and me to the video, you can also come with Zoom meet or something another. We will arrange that.
Start, yeah.
Yes, we will arrange that Zoom meeting. You can also talk with us.
We can spend 1 hour in a day.
And
Yes.
very, very good topic we are taking here. Like, what's the difference in village and Pune? That's the topic of today.
Yes.
Okay, so Navnath is saying in Pune, many more students are wasting the time. So Navnath, can you tell me